Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a Facebook ad with AdEspresso, full guide step by step clearly. To create a Facebook ad with AdEspresso, start by logging into your AdEspresso account. If you don't have an account, sign up for a free trial. Once logged in, click on the Create New Campaign button. Select the type of campaign you want to run. Choose between awareness, consideration, or conversion. For this guide, we'll choose conversion. Next, give your campaign a meaningful name that reflects its purpose. Now, set your campaign budget. You can choose either a daily budget or a lifetime budget. After setting the budget, select your audience. You can target based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Once your audience is defined, it's time to select ad placements. You can let Facebook automatically select placements or choose manual placements yourself. With placements selected, click on Continue to move to the ad creation step. Now, you'll need to choose an ad format. Options include single image, carousel, or video ads. For this example, let's select a single image ad. Upload your chosen image that aligns with your campaign goal. Make sure the image meets Facebook's ad specifications. Next, write compelling ad copy. Your copy should be engaging and include a clear call to action. You'll also need to enter your ad headline and description. These elements should grab your audience's attention. As you create your ad, use the preview section to see how it will look on various devices. Once satisfied with your ad, review your campaign settings. Make sure everything aligns with your objectives. Finally, click on the Publish button to launch your ad. After publishing, monitor the ad's performance through the AdEspresso dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.